Hello to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're going to be taking my face off. I normally use Almay. I noticed I've tried Neutrogena makeup removers before, and they always stung and burned my eyes. So I prefer Almay, but I ran out of those. So I'm trying this sample of rouche-posay Effaclar Clarifying Oil-Free Cleansing Towelettes. Dermatologist tested for safety, sensitive skin tested. So I've used one of these just to kind of clean up my look earlier. So we're going to go ahead and start. First thing I do is I take off my lashes. And these are from Lily. These are the Lily lashes in Gaia. So that's what they look like. Really liking those. So I just take a facial wipe and I normally just kind of hold it to my eye and kind of let the mascara melt a little bit. I'm not doing too much pressure, I'm just making sure that it's touching my eye. One thing I noticed with the MAC Painterly pot is that it helps take the eyeshadow off a lot easier. And there is a lot of glue on my eyes. This is from the Duo Glue. There goes some of my luxurious lashes. There's a lot of the glue. Oh, these burn my eyes too. Oh, that is so bad. So I'm just going to start on this side. Oh, my eyes have never watered like that before. I don't think I like these very much. He's a thirsty boy. So I do use this Bioderma every now and then. I want to get a full size of this because this doesn't burn my eyes either. So I'm just taking 2 pads. Oh my gosh, my eye won't stop watering. Maybe some of the guys would appreciate how much their women go through. to be beautiful. Pain is beauty. So I'm going to go ahead and continue in the bathroom. I'll probably do a voiceover. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back. Fresh, clean face. I can breathe. So now we're going in with the Dermalogica multi-active toner. Now one of the things that I used to use is this Active Moist moisturizer. It is empty. I believe this was like $45. So I've been using some different stuff. I do have this. This is Dermalogica Stress Positive Eye Lift. I believe this was $68. And it's lasted me a long time. So I usually take just a little bit and place it under my under eye and kind of dab it in. And then I bring a little bit up top and I go all the way around my eyes. I just got noticed my battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. So I usually take a little bit more and I put that on my forehead to try to get rid of those. And I've never tried this, so let's try this out. This is the Flash Firming Mist, Antioxidant Hydra Mist. So let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, it smells really good. Kind of like a lavender, clove florally. It does have a little bit of cloves in it, I can tell. I'm going to kind of pat that into my skin. I have been using this Life Cell. This is an all-in-one anti-aging treatment. Fast-acting, anti-wrinkle, intensive firming, 24-hour hydration, under-eye treatment, antioxidant, dehyperpigmentation, all in one. But since I am going to bed, sorry guys, I do have this sample of Caudalie Vino Perfect. This essence combines efficacy and gentleness to reveal the skin's original radiance. Complexion looks more even and bright. So I did have a bigger size of this, but I gave it to my mom. It says it's supposed to even your skin tone, get rid of dark spots, and just give you an overall more even complexion. So I just put a little bit of that on. And since I am going to bed, I am using this Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. When I'm done with this, I'm going to start using the Mario Badescu, and I think I'm going to go buy the full size of that. So I just put a little bit on each cheek, kind of rub it in. This does smell like lavender as well. Get my neck. Yes, babe, I'm busy. He loves the smell of all this stuff. It drives him crazy. Come here, you want to say hi? Look, say hi. There's Green. There he is. No, you can't lick it all off. I know you love it, but you can't eat it. No, babe. So that feels like it's pretty much absorbed into my skin. Now I'm going in with this Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. And I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes and on my forehead as well. One thing I've been doing lately is kind of putting it all over my face. It says that it is clinically demonstrated to visibly decrease the appearance of lines and wrinkles, including brow, forehead, and marionette lines, while improving skin texture and radiance. I'll kind of tap that in as well. Just a little bit above my lids, under my brows is what I was trying to say. Put the rest on my neck. So I think that's pretty much it. I do have this moisturizer I'm trying to get through, the Multi-X Repair Cream. It just came in one of my boxes. I'll put a little bit of that in my hand and just finish it all off. And rub the rest on my hands. No, babe, you can't eat it off. So the last step that I usually do is I take some of this Mario Badescu and I put it in my hands to get off all that extra stuff, and I rub it into the back of my hands. And then I take my other parts and just kind of rub the rest out of my palms of my hands so that they're not too greasy and slippery. So that look, say bye-bye. Say bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I will include in the description box links to all the products that I had used. And also, if you would please follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There is links in the description box as well in order for you to do that. I really hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Over here will be one of my latest videos, and then over here on, I think it's this one, is where you subscribe, and then over here will be my latest videos. Bye-bye. Bye. Wink, wink. Wink.